Level 8, Upper Intermediate. The Tortoise and the Birds. The tortoise spent his days watching the birds fly gracefully across the sky. He grew jealous of their freedom. "Why should I always crawl on the ground while you can fly so high?" he asked. The birds told him, "You were made for the ground, not for the air." But the tortoise begged again and again until two birds agreed to help. They held a stick between them and told him to bite it firmly. "Remember," they warned, "do not open your mouth." The tortoise obeyed, and the birds lifted him into the air. He looked down at the wide world and felt proud. But when he saw people below staring in amazement, he wanted to shout, "Look at me, I can fly." The moment he opened his mouth, he lost his grip, fell, and crashed to the ground. Thus he learned that pride and envy often lead to a fall.